Hey guys, welcome back to Coin Knowledge. Today we're going to be taking a look at a DeFi project that promises 1% daily returns, and that project is Horde. But before we get into Horde, if you guys like crypto passive income and kind of these DeFi projects that we've been going over on the channel, consider subscribing and hit the like button below. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and I would really appreciate it too. But otherwise, we'll get into Horde. So Horde, the project, it is a nodes as a service DeFi project on the Binance blockchain. So if we see here, Horde, they do have these plots that you can make. So what Horde is nodes as a service or DeFi as a service. You make these plots, or in a sense, nodes that you spend 10 Horde tokens to buy one of these plots that will earn you 1% back a day, or zero point 0.1 Horde token a day. Now, the cool thing about Horde is that they have mechanisms in place to keep their price stable. So if we look at the Horde token, right now they have a mechanism to stay about $95 to $110, and they've been doing that, especially with in current market conditions. So we can see that this project launched towards the end of March of this year. And if you look at this chart, it's been staying stable. With their mechanisms in place, it's been staying stable within that protocol range that they have set to stay right in there. So it's pretty cool to see, especially again with the current market conditions. But if we look here, so Horde is a DeFi protocol that offers a 1% daily return on your plots purchased, or again, in a sense, your nodes that you buy on the project. And currently, the Horde token is supposed to be between $99 and $112. Again, it takes 10 tokens to create a plot. And the cool thing about Horde is that you don't have lifetime returns, which I know it sounds good, but for longevity and sustainability, you kind of want decaying rewards, and that's what Horde does differently. Is that each plot can only bring a 300% ROI, so you can only get 1% back for 300 days, and then your plot is no longer active, or as they like to say, it's overrun by zombies. So you cannot use it anymore. You can only get 300% back ROI. If you see here, so your plots. So right now they have the plots. They are rolling out their NFTs, and they do have a roadmap to have a play-to-earn game for Horde. Then they do have their Souls paper, which is their white paper if you want to get in here and read. And currently, there is no membership fee. It's free to compound. There's no buy fee. There is a 10% tax on sales. So just keep a note of that. And if we look at their roadmap, everything they've accomplished so far. So towards the end of 2022, again, they are talking about having that play to earn game go live, and their tokenomics here. Again, no buy tax. There's a 10% sales tax, but no claim fees. So it's very cool. These other projects might have, 20, 30, 40. I mean, even in one project, there's a 50% tax depending on how long you wait to claim, which is kind of ridiculous. On top of a node fee, it's ridiculous. But Horde is also KYC'd by Assure, so they are KYC'd, and I believe they did just finish their CertiK audit. If you are curious where your 10 tokens do go, again, it is in the white paper, but here's the breakdown. Whenever you do that, and you can have 100 up to 100 max plots per wallet. But to get a plot or a node, you would launch their D app right up here, connect your wallet. Again, it is on the Binance chain, and it will tell you the current price of Horde. It will show your plots here. And to start, you just hit create a plot. I do have some plots, just not on this account, but you hit create plot, you put your 10 Horde in. Oops, sorry. You name it whatever, so you can name it first, zombie, name it. I don't have anything on this account, but if you have 10 Horde, you just pick a plot name. If you had 10 Horde, create, boom. it's all done, it's created, and then it will earn you back that 1% every single day. So if we look here at the time of this recording, if we look, 10 Horde is equivalent to $990, and with it earning zero point 0.1 Horde a day, you'd be earning about $9 to $10 a day right now back. And again, this project, especially right now, has seemed to be pretty consistent with what they're promising with the 1% back daily, and staying consistent with their price action too, with the mechanisms they have in place. It's been pretty consistent. And their soul swap, again, you can either buy Horde on Pancake Swap, like if you see markets, you can buy it on Pancake Swap, or they have their soul swap. If you want to buy 10 Horde, it'll be $1,000. I just gotta refresh the page and the price will update, but it'll be $1,000. If you want to have one plot, again, generating 1% a day or zero point 0.1 Horde token a day, which at the time of this recording, again, is about $10 a day, and it will generate you back that money, except up to 300% ROI. So let's say you buy in, you know, 10 tokens to get one plot. So it will generate you back a total of 30 Horde tokens over 300 days. So let's say you put in 1,000. If everything stays consistent, which is crypto, you know how that goes. Over 300 days, if the protocol stays around and their price action stays consistent, you can look to get a return of about another or $3,000 total based on your initial investment if you just offer one plot, or you can compound them too. And again, they do have these NFTs that boost your rewards if you get in on them. So they did just release them earlier this month, May. So they did release, and they're going to start releasing more NFTs. They call them scenes, Horde NFT scenes, if you want to get one. But if you look here, this is just a roundup of what has been achieved so far with Horde. So 6,000 plots or 6,000 nodes, and they partnered with Flux, pretty big. They completed their CertiK audit, and they are again releasing those NFT scenes. Look at their roadmap. They're going to have the Souls paper, their white paper updated, revamp their website, bigger partnerships, a game launch, additional NFTs, and more. This project's been around for over 50 days. Again, they are KYC'd approved by Assure DeFi. But yeah, guys, that is Horde, a project that I think is definitely worth looking at. And as long as they can stay consistent, I like what they've been doing. I've been watching them for a while. You know, that's I'm a fan of Horde, especially with all these other node protocols that have seen to, not necessarily die off, but have extremely lengthened the time of ROI. If you had got in a month ago with some of these other projects, not going to name any, but maybe we'll cover them in the future just so you guys can be aware of a couple other projects out there in the space. But this is Horde, a DeFi project, node protocol that gives you 1% back a day, up to 300%. And they are going to have a play to earn game in the future towards the end of this year, 2022, quarter three. And when that game comes out, if it does come out and the project stays consistent, we'll review this game again, because I think that that's going to be huge for Horde, especially with these NFT scenes. I haven't gotten one, but if I do get my hands on one, I'll let you guys know how I'm liking that. But again, just a quick overview. If you're in Horde, all you have to do is be on the Binance network, and you can come straight to the Horde's website, and I'll link it below. Go to Soul Swap, it'll load. If you have BUSD, you can put BUSD in here and put 10 Horde, buy it, or go to Pancake Swap and put the contract address in there and buy Horde. That way you just need 10 Horde tokens. Go to Dashboard, create a plot, name it, have your 10 Horde, and then hit create. Boom, your plot's done. You don't have to do anything. It'll just generate 1% back a day, or 0.1 Horde token a day, up to 300%, or 30 Horde tokens in total. But yeah, guys, that is Horde. Let me know in the comments below if this is a project that interests you, if you're in this project, or if you like these kind of projects, and if there's other ones you want me to review. And if you can like the video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share the video. That goes a long way, more than you would know.
And
As well as my Twitter is linked below. I try to do some updates on that, trying to get more better and more consistent at Twitter. But otherwise, I will catch you guys in the next one. All right. See you guys.